Welcome to Sawmill Creek in Alta Vista in Ottawa, Ontario, Canada. And now I'm out at my bro's house, which used to be our dad's place. And this Sawmill Creek used to be our stomping grounds when we were kids. Well, it's much the same as it was when I was a kid, although there's certainly some differences. Like this transit way is new, and then they've really reinforced, buttressed the bends along the transit way since they built it, I'm guessing. Well, gotta say, feels good to get out of the house. Hope all you guys had a safe Christmas. I know it's been so fucking crazy storm that hit North America has been really tough for a lot of people. I'm surprised I made it all the way here to Ottawa. Actually, I thought I was going to be spending Christmas in a gas station parking lot, but I fucking pushed through, maybe unwisely, but hey, all's well that ends well, huh? Someone had a fort, a little camp over there, including a fucking barbecue. That's the way to do it, huh? Next time I'm here in the summer, I'll come down here and camp, bring some hot dogs. What the fuck? The path just ends. Am I tripping out here? How could this path just end? Certainly folks don't walk all the way back, because not far up here is Walkley Road, I think. Fuck. You know, I don't have the footwear to blaze a trail right now, unfortunately. I thought I was getting close to the end of the road, but I have to walk all the way back now. There was one side chute off to some, that might have been a side road. Oh, it didn't really look promising. What the fuck? It's funny, this trail seems like established enough that I can't believe it just ends. Am I missing something here? I did just smoke half a joint. Well, I'll be damned. Huh. Do beavers do this? Looks like it, but the location, the creek's way down there through this thick bush. Doesn't make any sense. Things are starting to get weird around here. Suddenly ending paths. Beaver trees in the middle of nowhere. Some kind of crow party going on there. We gotta walk right past it, so might be fucked. What are you guys doing? All right, before I thought things were getting a bit dreamlike and surreal, now I'm fucking sure I'm dreaming. Hello. Are they just continuously flying ahead and landing on new trees, or is this the biggest fucking gang of crows ever? Well, if you find this camera next to my fucking pile of bones picked clean, I think you'll figure out what happened. Look at them all. They're still coming in from fucking miles around. Well, man, the congregation of crows. I don't know what the fuck they're up to. Definitely something. Ooh, trying to get a bit of snow in the old boots. They're still just coming in. You know, they call them a murder of crows for something, no doubt. And it's not because they're fucking handing out lollipops and popsicles. Hey, thanks for coming along this nice amble in the woods. And try to be safe out there if you live in North America, where it's fucked. Everywhere else, try to be safe too. Boys.